What is the definition of artificial intelligence? It's a computer system that imitates human intelligence. In order to do that, it simulates intelligent behavior based on predefined or learned patterns. To this day, these systems that imitate human intelligence have only been developed as specialists to solve a particular problem or task. In 1940, Alan Turing developed the Turing bomb, with which the British cryptanalyst was able to decipher the secret code of the German Enigma machine for the first time. This was the first example in the development of machine intelligence. In 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum developed the ELIZA computer program to demonstrate the possibilities of communication between a person and a computer via natural language. Incredibly, a fluent conversation was already possible, even if one quickly realized that it was a machine speaking. The system's play strength has mainly been related to its enormous computing power. Deep Blue was a massive parallel computer. The chess software calculated on average 126 million positions per second, depending on the position. In 2011, Watson won 2 championships in the television quiz Jeopardy! Watson implements algorithms of natural language processing and information retrieval based on methods of machine learning, knowledge representation, and automatic inference. The board game Go was the next big challenge for the developers of systems of artificial intelligence. Because of the greater complexity of Go versus chess, Go is virtually unbeatable with traditional brute force algorithms. With the help of deep neural networks and the computing capacity of the Google Cloud, it succeeded the victory over Lee Sedol, one of the best players of the game Go. Information is entered on the input side, then calculated, and the result is the outcome on the output side. As a rule, each of these nodes is connected to all nodes of the next layer. The connections are weighted differently. Thereby, the network is backed up according to the trial and error principle. If the output layer does not produce the desired result, the weights of the connections are adjusted layer by layer using a mathematical mechanism. All this happens millions of times within a few seconds or minutes. In deep learning, there are many such hierarchically ordered network layers. Because computers have become more and more powerful, it's now possible to calculate more than 2 or 3 characteristic layers. This requires many passages and a lot of data as training material. Today, you will find artificial intelligence in many everyday and future applications, such as translation of texts and languages. Skype is mastered by artificial intelligence simultaneous translation of speech in real time. Autonomous vehicles. Only through the use of artificial intelligence can cars analyze their environment in real time, classify, and thus react accordingly. Control of systems. Google left the control of cooling systems of its data centers to its artificial intelligence DeepMind and was able to reduce the energy costs of the cooling by 40%. Since the invention of the steam engine, the development of technology and economy has come in waves, often referred to as Kondratiev cycles. Now we are approximately at the beginning of a next 6th Kondratiev wave. However, why should a technology create such a potential when important capacities in the field, such as Stephen Hawking's, Elon Musk, or Nick Bostrom, warn of losing control? Artificial intelligence has a capacity for self-optimization and a learning ability that it achieves in a very short time. In comparison, we needed more than 250,000 generations and 5 million years since the separation of the genetic roots from chimpanzees to become today's global citizen. Nick Bostrom, on the other hand, speaks of a likely imminent takeoff and an exponential acceleration of the development into a comprehensive artificial superintelligence. Whether, when, and how fast this takeoff will take place is passionately discussed. Most large companies currently invest a lot of money and energy into this development. The next 2 decades in the global development of artificial intelligence will be very exciting.